welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post content like this, you will be among the first to be notified. Now this is the part 2 of the last video I made. Some of you said the strategy works very well on synthetic and also on Forex. So I promise that I'm going to make the second part, but I was been busy since all this while. Today now I'm going to show you see the same settings, but this time around we only added one more indicator to the main chart, which makes it more meaningful and more accurate than the previous one. I'm going to tell you the reason why I said more meaningful and more accurate. Now in the previous one, I told you that you need just 3 confirmation. Either you're using it on Forex, synthetic indices, or even on crypto, in as much as it's a tradable asset. For you to sell, the condition for sell are, we want to see this we want to see price close below the red line. That was the first settings. Then the second condition is we want to see the CCI touching level 90 of the RSI, and once it crosses below level 100, either below level 100 or level 0, depending on the level it is in your window 1. So once it closes below it, then it's a good sign. But we must also consider the third condition, which is the ADX. The red line in your ADX stands for sell signal. If the red line is above level 20, then it means that there's more sell pressure or there's more momentum for sell than buy. So in such situation or in such case, you place a sell order. Now, this is a mobile strategy. I notice that majority of you don't like truth. That is why whenever you try using any of the strategy, if you encounter loss, you immediately drop it and then you'll be looking for another one. Mobile strategy are mainly for scalping, most especially if you're a beginner. Don't hold trade for too long. Don't let your emotion or your mindset tell you that the trade is going to go long. Now, for price to cross below the red line, then all these conditions align either in 15 minutes, 5 minutes. It can be just a little reversal, which if you are not a good trader who understands technical analysis, if you hold it for too long, once it retraces a little, then it will continue the normal trend. So as such, you will be you definitely end up losing, or you have huge drawdown. So if you are new to trading and you are depending on mobile strategy, that is the indicators on mobile strategy, whenever you make little profit, close it. Since you don't have the insight of where the price is going, there is more to this chart than what you are seeing here. That is just the truth. That is why I told you, if you really want to learn Forex, there's provision for it already. My number is in the WhatsApp, in the description below. My WhatsApp number in the description below. So whenever the condition aligns, you quickly scalp, and when you see price is making a retracement or pullback, you close a little win and you hold it. Exactly. Because if anyone tells you that you can just depend on all these indicators and you'll be making huge money, it is not true. That is just the plain truth, guys. You are only using it to scalp the market, or you can add it to your strategy. If you have a strategy before, you can add it to it. Alright, now when you have these three conditions I just explained, then you open for sell. The first condition we want to see price. That means if the pressure is going to go down, the first thing you see is price closing below the red one. That was the first explanation I gave you. For those of you who watched the first video, then which is the last one, because after that video I've not made another one, so you can go and watch it. Now then, the second condition is your CCI crossing below level, either level that is positive 250, positive 100, or 0. So if your red line crosses any of this line, which is the blue line, then the third thing you should wait out or watch out for is where is your negative ADX. If your negative ADX is below level 20 and your positive ADX is above level 20, while the first and second condition is a lie, I urge you not to open trade. Don't place any order. Be patient, because if you try to do so, it might reverse and go against you. Now look at, we have at this point, this first instance, just look at what I'm saying now. This first instance, price closed below the red line, which is very okay. You can see price has made a move to close, and the CCIs have made move to close below the level 0. Then, but when you check your second window or window 2, you notice at that moment the positive ADX is still above. So they have not separated, they have not crossed and separated. Because it is when they cross and they are separated, that is when the momentum becomes more stronger. So that is why you see that when price came down, it did what? It made a pullback outside again. It didn't drop. At that moment, this green line was acting as support, which made the price to go back. You can see it, and again, our price has a sensitive or a key zone. So anytime the first, second condition align, always wait for the third condition to also fall in place. Now you will notice that when the third condition fully fall in place, you see where the red line is above the level 20 and the green line is below, while the CCI is below level 0, even almost minus 100, then you can see that price really dropped drastically. This is where you have opportunity to open trades. Exactly. Then your support zone will be here, because this is the last place price go to before it did what? Pull back. So you few pips before price get there, you must have do what? Opt out from the market. Either you are trading the gold, you are trading any strategy with it. So this second indicator that I add now is for full confirmation. For full confirmation, allow price to close between below the two of them. When price close below the two of them, there is almost, let me say, 50 to 60% assurance that price will definitely go your way. Yes, it is all. If you keep back testing, you will see that once price cross and the two other conditions align, price usually drop very well. So then for buy scenario, that means if you want a good buy, for a good buying condition, this is what you should do. Price should close above the both moving average. Then here price should be either above minus 100 or minus 250. Price should cross above after touching the RSI level 10. Then in your window 2, we want to see the positive ADX above level 20, while negative ADX below level 20. So when you have this, you'll be able to scalp buying opportunity before price definitely change its direction. Exactly. This work for every pair, be it synthetic, be it currency. So whichever one you're trading, as much as you are using your mobile phone, there's always high probability that trade will definitely go towards your favor. So probably maybe this is the first time you're watching, or you're just joining my channel, or this is your first time coming across my channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell, and then make sure you subscribe. Please, it's very important. Now, before I proceed to show you the settings, let me quickly show you something for those of you who are skeptical, or for those of you who want to trade Forex the right way and make money with it. Yes, doing the right thing. That means trading it the right way and making money with it. Now, this is a strategy I currently teach people, and this strategy I make it very easy. Either you are a learner, you are a novice, or you are an old trader. So already there's a video on ground and there are materials on ground. This material will aid you to understand everything about forex trading as fast as possible, in as much as you devote your time to watch the videos and also practice how to use those materials. It is very easy, but you just need to make sure you devote your time to understand it, and in a short while you see yourself making good results consistently. Most of you have already been seeing results like this on my for those of you who are in my WhatsApp, you have been seeing results like this, probably texting it to you every day. So majority of you are still skeptical. That means you are doubting if it is real or not. Everybody can be a scammer. That is one thing you should know. So I'm guaranteeing you that once you sum up the courage and you subscribe for this um, learning or this tutorial on how to trade this forex under my mentorship, in due time you also be making good results. It's not only on forex, even on synthetic indices also. So this is just one single trade today. Once the signal came, I opened it because already everything is intact. All the conditions you need for opening sell was intact. These are some on synthetic indices. This is boom 1000. You can also see it. So whichever way you want, anyhow you just want to understand the trading, definitely there is assurance that you definitely see results. Definitely you see results. So that is just that. Now aside that, once you subscribe or after payment, I will forward the details to you. Also the video, the materials, send it to you. Video on how to install everything. Even though you don't have a laptop, you can use your mobile phone. Then I also add you to the WhatsApp community. You can see now this is the WhatsApp community where every member who have subscribed, I add them to. I show them, I tell them what to expect. You can see there every week we do analysis on each pair. Every week. With the materials I'm going to send to you, you'll be able to analyze the chart. Even before price get to those areas, you already know what you should be expecting for the week. Every week I do analysis. We tell them which price, where to focus on, which price to which pair to expect opportunities within the week, and then you see everything. We definitely what make result. Even this one, you can see I told them to sell, give them little information when I notice price has missed. So if you're interested, just message me with the number in the description below on WhatsApp. Then we proceed from there. So now let me show you the settings for this strategy. Alright, the settings for this strategy, once you click on the F plus or whichever icon it is at the top, the first one is the alligator. You can see it just screenshot. I don't want to delay. You can see there's no level, screenshot. So then the envelope, that which is the one we added this time around, period 10, shift 10, deviation 0.00. Make sure that the upper band and the lower band has the same color. Once you are through, you click on save or done. Your RSI, we don't need the period, all we need is the level. So the style should be your background color. This is the level 90, level 10, and level 50. Then you click on save. Then you add the CCI. The CCI has period of 100, typical price, use any color of your choice. Then the levels 250, that means when price cross above level 250, another conditions are met, you will buy. While when price cross below level 250, that is positive 250, you sell. It also applies to both 100, positive 100 and negative 100. Then you click on save. Then the last indicator you're going to add, which is the ADX level period 15. Style should be your background color. Positive DI should be green. Negative DI should be red. Then plus level should be 10 and level 20. Move that 10. We don't need the 10. So it's just 20 only. Then click on save. So when you're through, you see. Now, is this a condition for buy? Yes, this is a good condition for buy. You can scalp buying opportunity as it is now. Because the first thing we need to see here is this. We want to see price close above the 2, that is 1. We want to see price close above minus 250, that is the ADX. It has even also crossed above level 50, which is good. Then I want to see positive DI, which is the green one, above level 20, which is also accurate. So this is a good strategy. This is a good opportunity for you to scalp buying for buy, either on any pair you get it. Exactly. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. And don't forget, make sure you subscribe.